that you have long studied. Your partner will soon take the life of an innocent man.
Jigsaw's fucking death to you!
Heed my warning.
Save as I say.
I want to play a game. Your life is a lie. Now comes your moment of truth. All you need to do is confess. It's time to play a game. You all pretended to cure me.
The cancer is still spreading. I'm afraid there's nothing else we can do. According to these scans, the tumor was never removed.
How much time do I have?
Months, at best.
I still have a lot of work that needs to be done. I'd like to play a game.
I've done it! Now show them to me!
I'm sick of people who don't appreciate their blessings. Oh, Mr. Handel.
I want to be partners. He's a very interesting person. His name is John.
Has an inoperable frontal lobe tumor.
I'm sick from the disease eating away at me inside.
Looks like our guy likes to book himself front row seats to his own sick
They had to save themselves.
Take him. I mean, let's be real. Some of these motherfuckers straight up you. Fitch, not backing you up.
Fuck them.
You won't repeat that mistake. And Boz, always lying on your oath. You're different. You're Metro's finest. That's why I want to team up with you on this. You find the dirty cops, and I'll take care of the rest.
You want me to help you kill cops?
No, fuck no. Just a balance. John Kramer was right. Spiral. Symbol of change, evolution, progress. But why limit that to an individual when you can apply it to a whole system?
You're not Jigsaw.
Now I need you to choose who you're really with. Fucking can't be. Whoa! What? You're fucking kidding me. Logan, you... What? What? Hey! What? You're working with him.
I am him. Hello, Dr. Gordon. Dr. Nelson. You are perhaps my greatest asset.
10 years ago in this very barn, a game was played.
Here's your key to freedom.
Supposedly, John Kramer designed this drug game that took place before all the others. The bodies were never found.
I know this because I was one of the players.
Congratulations, Dr. Gordon. You survived.
You see death up close. And you know what the value of life is. And that's my way.
Without you, my work over the last few years would not have been possible. Jeff's wife, Dr. Lynn Denman. She'll be perfect.
The Jigsaw killer may be dead, but the murders continue.
We're here to find the person helping Jigsaw and Amanda Young.
That having been said, I have a request. Watch over Jill. And should anything happen to her, I want you you to act immediately on my behalf. In return for that, I will keep no more secrets from you. I have showed you a lot of places, but there is one that will be perhaps the most meaningful to you.
It's the rules.
Do you like how brutality feels, Mark?
You want him to suffer just as much as I do.
I don't think so.
What do you think you're doing? What the fuck do you think you're doing? Huh?
I'm dreaming about this since I was 12 years old.
You have a choice. Scream or don't. Don't open it! Game over.
We can never come from anger or from vengeance. You taught me that.
And then there will be no justice.
But there will.
No! You can't fucking do this to me! Fuck you! No!
Game over.
No!
You think it's the living that will have ultimate judgment over you, because the dead will have no claim over your soul. But you may be mistaken.